Today in crypto. After the Proshares Bitcoin Strategy exchange-traded fund, ETF, listed and smashed records in the first 2 days of trading, Vanecks Bitcoin Futures ETF was given the green light to start trading next week. Furthermore, sources say that the Valkyrie Bitcoin Strategy ETF is set to launch this week with a possible listing on Friday. Proshares Bitcoin ETF smashes records. October is the month of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds as the United States approved the first ETF last week. Proshares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, NYSE, BITO, listed on Tuesday and saw close to $1 billion in volume on its first day of trading. The following day, BITO continued to perform remarkably and Bitcoin, BTC, spot markets tapped a new lifetime price high at $67,017 per unit. If $BITO keeps up this pace of inflows, it won't have any futures left to buy by the end of the month due to POS limits. Via rough back of envelope calc w/edgif https://t.co/calfuapzhb Eric Balkunas, at Eric Balkunas, October 21, 2021. In fact, the senior ETF analyst for Bloomberg Intelligence, Eric Balkunas, explained how the Bitcoin ETF was one of the fastest in history to capture $1 billion in assets. Balkunas said, "Record breaker. BITO assets up to $1.1 B after today, making it the fastest ETF to get to $1 billion, 2 days, breaking gold's 18-year-old record, 3 days, which is poetically apropos." Two sources say Valkyrie Bitcoin Strategy ETF set to launch Friday. Balkunas is one source that has said that the Valkyrie Bitcoin Strategy ETF is set to launch this week. In addition to statements from Balkunas, crypto reporter Danny Nelson confirmed with a Valkyrie spokesperson that the fund will begin trading on Friday after it cleared the final regulatory hurdles. Bloomberg's senior ETF analyst also explained the news on Twitter. "Just got word Valkyrie is changing the ticker back to BTF. SEC prob wasn't a fan of btfd. Also odds are growing they will launch tomorrow. Not final yet, though," Balkunas said. Then he corrected his tweet and noted that the Valkyrie ETF would list on Friday. "I had said this was launching tomorrow. It's actually going to be on Friday. Sorry about that," the analyst further detailed. The Valkyrie fund will leverage the ticker symbol BTF, but there was talk about the company adopting the ticker btfd. Unlike Proshares and Vanecks, the Valkyrie ETF will list on Nasdaq rather than the New York Stock Exchange. NYSE. Valkyrie's ETF was originally filed in August and the operating expenses per year are $0. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.